What's up, everybody? My name is Kunchi from Cooking with Kunchi, and today we're going to be making a one-pot dish, trying a little experiment. So it's going to be some jerk chicken and rice and peas, an ode to my Jamaican heritage. I will see you guys in the full video. Follow some more. So welcome everyone watching. We are going to try something different and we'll see how this works out. I just had something in my head. I've seen it done, but I've never done it myself. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make rice and peas and chicken, but I'm going to make a one-pot dish. I'm going to use all the seasonings. I'm just going to throw it together a little differently. Alright, so using some bone-in and skin-on thighs. Seasoning this up with my homemade dry jerk seasoning. This rub will be on the market here pretty soon. Stay tuned for that. And remember, if you guys are not subscribed to my email list, in the description, the sign up link for the newsletter is there. We're going to get those seasoned up and then we're going to prep all our stuff. I'm going to make a pineapple salsa right here to go as a little topping. So we're going to use some bell peppers, some jalapenos, and some pineapples, and then we're gonna get that going. But we're gonna start with the Dutch oven. I have a braising pan right here. We're gonna start searing these, not using any oil at all, because we want to render some of that fat from the skin to make our dish. So we're not worried about anything sticking because we're gonna cook everything in this pan. All of those bits on the surface, aka the fun, that's gonna make it great. All right, so we're gonna make a pineapple salsa. Now, fun fact, this pineapple actually came from my backyard. I do have about 12 pineapple plants back there right now, and I think I have a few more to plant coming up soon. So right here we are searing these off, and we're just gonna half cook these. We're not really fully cooking the chicken right now. And we're doing these in a couple batches. This pineapple was so sweet. It was amazing. I had some family over just checking out my house this summer. So now I haven't visited in a while, and they see my content online and stuff, so they just wanted to come hang out. But here is my little pineapple salsa. We are going to use that later on. So we're going to saute some garlic after we have done the chicken. And then that's a minced garlic. That's my homemade minced garlic, by the way. I have a video up on how I do that. And then we're going to use that rice to try to start scraping some of those bits off. And my viral jerk marinade, my homemade jerk marinade. We put that in there, mix that in with the rice. And we're just going to open 2 cans of beans. Was it 1 can of beans? Yeah, it was 1 can of beans. 1 can of beans. I had to check my notes there. And then we're going to get that mixed in. Now, obviously, if you have the beans that you cook yourself that has the red tinge to it that, you know, gives it that more traditional look, go ahead. And what I'm doing, I'm using the liquid, the coconut milk here, to help deglaze the pan. So you see those dark spots there, just trying to get all of those dark bits off the bottom, help that flavor the dish. We're going to season it up, and we're going to let this rice steam, but we're also going to let the chicken cook as well. And both of these will finish together. Now, the flavor smells amazing. The house just smells like heaven. That's the flavors I grew up around. So we got 1 Scotch bonnet in there. We're not trying to pop it in the pot because we want the food to not be super spicy. And we let this run for about 25 minutes just on low heat. Let that rice get cooked, and man, look at this. This thing's ready to serve. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'm going to put the information down in the description. The recipe will be up on my website, and I appreciate you guys hanging out and watching. Rice came out perfect. Chicken came out great. I think we did a great job with this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. So this is the one-pot Jamaican jerk chicken and rice and peas dish. This is what we came up with. So you can see we have the fresh pineapple salsa. That is a pineapple from my backyard. And then we have the rice and the beans all cooked in the same pot with the chicken, with my homemade jerk seasoning, of course. So let's take a bite. Oh man, that chicken is perfectly cooked. You can see that's juicy. Let's see. Let's try to take a winning bite here. So the dish is not spicy. Has enough flavor. The freshness from the salsa is really gonna do that little bit extra. So if you make this dish, make sure you make the salsa. If you guys are not subscribed to the page already, make sure you go and hit that subscribe button. Follow me on all socials, everything, the full recipe and all my contacts down in the description down below. Follow for more.